Our cozy New Year. The New Year holiday is always cold, so we stay inside and watch TV. On New Year's Day, we eat a big warm lunch while wearing our pajamas. My mom and dad talk about the year before and what fun things we want to do next. We make a list called resolutions. This means making a promise to yourself, like drinking more water or calling grandma every week. It is a quiet and cozy day to think about being the best me in the new year. Why does the family stay inside on New Year's Day? What is one example of a goal or resolution the family makes?
English Score Lab.